Like I have always said, that the internet is filled with emails of opportunities and you just have to find your own niche online. In today's video, I'll be reviewing 4 different websites where you can complete simple surveys and you will get paid by doing so. This website will pay you from $1 up to $20 for completing a survey. And with this website, you can be able to make $50 weekly or more. Now, if this is what you like to see, I'll advise that you see this video until the end because I'll be demonstrating everything you need to know about this website in this video. Now, without wasting much of our time, let us go right into the video. The first site we'll be looking at right now is SuperPay.me. On this website, you can cash out from as little as $1 using either PayPal, crypto, Square, and you can even earn gift card by taking surveys on this website. So the only way you can make money on this website is by taking surveys. Now let's look at the most common question that has been asked on this website about taking surveys to earn on this website. Now the first question says, how do online survey sites works? Now it says the answer is that it's very simple. A few minutes is all you need to complete a brief survey that appears either on your computer, phone, or other device. Now, sharing honest thought and opinion about different brands, services, and products is all that is required. And SuperPay.me will then reward you with real cash and gift cards for simply completing online surveys. We have free online survey jobs available daily. Now, how you get started is create your profile, share your opinion, collect your reward, and start making money from survey. It is as simple as that. Now let's go to another question that has been commonly asked from this website. It says, do survey sites actually pay? Now it says yes. You can make money taking online survey if you work with legitimate survey sites such as SuperPayMe. Our membership help market research companies find what brand should do to create products and services that people want. This means that you will have the opportunity to shape the future of business as new products and brands are introduced into the marketplace, and you will be paid for your time. Now let's take a look at the next most common question that has been asked. It says, how much can I earn on this website? Now the answer to that is earn reward for completing daily tasks. Average earning per single survey are typically between $1 to $1.50. Many members can earn up to $50 per day taking survey for cash. Some online surveys can pay as much as $10 per survey. So that is sad about that question, and let us go into another question that has been commonly asked. It says, why should I take online survey with SuperPayMe? Now it says SuperPayMe is one of the best paid survey site for people to make money by sharing their opinion online. New surveys are added every day, giving you access to 10,000 of paid service opportunity. Find online surveys that pays. There are many more that is written, but that is the only one I will read out. You can check it out by checking the video description, and you can get to this website and check this question out by yourself. Now it says, what type of surveys can I take? Now the answer is that there are many different kinds of market research surveys. For example, brand recognition surveys, surveys about service provision, product appeal surveys, and that's just more to name a few. So that is that about this site. We'll be going into the second site that pays instantly right now. The second website we'll be looking at in this video is SurveyTime.io. Like I said earlier, if you want to get to this website, the link is provided in the video description. So make sure you check it out and you can get to where I am right now in this video. So you can make as little as $1 for taking surveys on this website. Okay, so Let's see the most common question that has been asked, and we can proceed from there. Okay, now it says, why should I use SurveyTime? No withdrawal threshold. SurveyTime has no withdrawal threshold. Once you complete a survey, you get paid for it almost instantly. There is no point system. Complete a survey, choose a reward, and cash out by choosing your preferred gift card. Now, the second reason why you should use SurveyTime.io is that they say that they never miss a new survey. SurveyTime keeps you updated. They make sure to notify you in your preferred method whenever they have a new relevant survey for you. You will never miss out on a chance to complete surveys for money. Now, another reason why you should use SurveyTime is that they allow you to choose your reward. They say, do you prefer PayPal, Amazon, or maybe Target? With SurveyTime, you can earn gift card for your favorite brands. Not all gift card options are available outside the US. Okay, now another reason why you should use SurveyTime, according to them, is that surveys for you. Now, SurveyTime offer the most relevant surveys. We match, let's say they match their own surveys to your interest based on your answers in your introductory surveys. That means that when you sign into this website, they are going to ask you some questions. Now you have to pay attention in answering this question correctly, because they will introduce new surveys for you based on the introductory survey. So you must really take cognizance of the survey, introductory survey, so that you can get more survey on this website. Now it says that this increase your chance to complete more survey and earning cash from survey. Now, another reason why I should choose SurveyTime is $1 rewards on survey. All surveys were unequal. Whether it took you 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whether you are in Philippines or the US, if you complete the survey, you will get rewarded with $1 US. So you cannot earn $2, you cannot earn $3 on a survey. You can earn $1 per one survey in this website. So SurveyTime is global. You can take survey for money from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. If you successfully complete a survey, you get paid instantly. Now, to join SurveyTime, just have to click on the red button here which says start now. With that, we will be going to the number 3 websites that pays you instantly. Hello guys, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I review digital tools, that is applications and websites which are capable to make you money online. So if this is what you like to see, I would advise that you like and you subscribe to this channel so that you can get to see more of my videos whenever I drop them. With that being said, let us dive right straight into the video. The third website we'll be looking at is OfferMission.com. Now, this is one of the best survey paying websites that I know. It says that you can make as little as $1 on this website by taking surveys, and you can also earn through their referral program. Now let's take a look at the reason why you should join OfferMission. According to this website, it says cash out from as little as $1 and get paid in under 8 hours, no instant payment, PayPal fees. It says 100 of survey available from global banks. They need your free feedback and are willing to pay for it. It says that OfferMission has been around for 10 years, highly rated on Trustpilot, FIFO, and Reviews.io. It says that $1,000 cash contest, 20 cash prizes available, and a passive income generous referral program. And how you can start any on this website is for you to sign up to unlock great paying surveys like this. Here it says a research here says CPS research, and they are going to pay you $5.40 for taking a research on a CPS research paying survey. And in this survey they will pay you $12 for completing this survey, and it goes on like that. Each survey has different rating, and so you can just take one and you can just take one and they will pay you instantly. Now these are the most common questions that has been asked on OfferMission, and you can just check it out by clicking on the video description and check out the link to this site, and you can check out everything that I am saying right here on this computer. Now let's go to the fourth website that pays you instantly. Now this is a lot different from all the websites I've been saying since the beginning of the video. The name of this website is CitizenMaid.com. Don't worry, the link to get to this website will be provided in the video description. Now this is a paid survey plus digital wallet plus personality test app, all in one, powered by zero data exchange technology that protects your privacy and data. Now this app, you can easily connect it to your PayPal and get paid instantly, and you can also use it to take survey and any of the tests that allows you to get paid instantly on this website. All you have to do is to download their app as it has been written on the screen right here. So this is all I have for you guys today in this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.